Miracle's leaving. They see us.
Okay, I'm stuck in that. Alright, let's let you go.
Be a man.
The last time I'll ever do that again. Okay, let's go.
You alright, young man?
Let's go.
Be a man about it.
Alright, we can do this.
You know I can't record myself.
Look.
YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Don't make me cry.
Are you crying? Oh, goodness.
Then we gotta record her driving away.
What?
Let me pause it for a second. We'll continue on. Uh-oh. Miracle's about to get embarrassed in front of her kid. Got to get it. She's trying to get in the back seat to drive. How weird. Oh crap. No! Looks like we gotta go in on the other side. Let's not embarrass ourselves. Because we're gonna be following Miracle up the road. Miracle's leaving. She's leaving. Let's stop the camera. Run away. She's blowing at us. The tag number. She's leaving him. BB's running behind. Bye, friend. I'm gonna miss you. I'll be in Savannah.